But as soon as I saw this, I think it's really understated. It solves that problem I've said around data. You can drill into your data and look for supplier payment, performance issues. It's got a report builder, and who doesn't love being able to build a report without needing some expert within your team to help you with that? And it's great for management information. So the information that I mentioned previously, where we've developed KPIs that we can monitor daily, weekly, monthly. But we are sending out daily reports to the team now. So they're getting, I know they can log in and have a look at themselves, but we're pulling stuff together easily just to share with the team, to praise the team around performance. I use it on a monthly basis for executive reporting that goes up to our CFO level. It's got loads of visual stuff in there in terms of bar charts, pie charts, which are great for just a glance at things. And as I said, the troubleshooting element of it is just fantastic for us to use.